Okay, here's our video on subtracting integers. Okay, so here's an example. You already know how to do this in our heads. 5 minus 3, right? We know 5 minus 3 is 2. But on a number line, we can look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say that's 5, and that's 6. And every time we see the minus sign, we go to the left. 1, 2, 3. So we have 4. And we can see it on a number line. So you can prove it on a number line. So anytime you see the minus sign, we go to the left. Anytime we see the plus sign, like we did in the last video, we go to the right. And let's look at another example. Let's say we had minus 4, minus 2. So let's just put minus 4 over here. Let's say it's minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, right? So negative 4, minus 4. Get used to doing that. Negative 3, negative 2, let's say. So now, again, the minus sign tells us to go to the left. So we have minus 4, and we want a minus 2. 1, 2, and we'll get negative 6. So we can do it on a number line if we remember the minus sign. There's also a way we can remember. It's called keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. We only use it when we're doing subtraction. Keep that in mind. Only when we do subtraction. Keep that in mind. So we look at the example we had before. Minus 2, minus 4. Negative 4 is a minus 4. Minus 2. We keep the sign of the first number. We keep this sign, minus 4. We're going to change the sign to addition, and change the other sign. So this was a minus 2. The 2 was positive, so we're going to change it to negative. And we get negative 6. Just like the rules for addition. Remember, if we owe $4 and we owe another $2, we'll owe $6. So we saw this example on the number line, and now we're seeing it with keep, change, change. Remember, keep, change, change only when we have subtraction. So let's look at another example. Let's say I had a 5 minus 2. An example, this is the one we started with. We know it's 3, but with subtraction we can also change it to addition, and we have 3 again. Because we keep the sign, which was 5 was positive to begin with. We change subtraction to addition. We change the positive 2 to a negative 2, and we get 3. Okay, let's look at one. Negative 3 minus 4. Try to do this one on a number line and with keep, change, change. Okay, so we'll just put a negative 3 here. Doesn't matter where we put it. Negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. Remember, when you go to the left, the numbers get bigger in the negative world. Alright, so we started with negative 3. Here we are. And it says minus 4. So what do? We go to the left. Minus means go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll have negative 7. So let's look at it with keep, change, change. We keep the sign of the first number. We change subtraction to the addition. Always. Subtraction becomes addition. This was a positive 4, so we make it a negative 4. You owe $3. You owe $4. Now you owe $7. Keep, change, change. Okay. What about this one? This one's a little tricky. So we have negative 4. We'll start at negative 4 here. And what does it tell us to do? It says to minus a minus. This doesn't say minus 2. It says minus a minus 2. So when you see a minus minus, that means to add. If I said stop stopping, what does that mean? To stop stopping. It means to walk. So what does minus minusing mean? To add. We can also do this with keep, change, change. Keep negative 4, change subtraction to addition, change the negative 2 to a positive 2. Right? We owe $4, but we have $2. So now we just owe $2. Let's look at it now on a number line. So this is a minus 4, not 1/4. So we have a negative 4, and now we want to add 2. We want to add 2 to it. So we'll go this way. 1, 2. So that'll be negative 3, negative 2. Remember, adding, we go to the right. So again, when you see minus minusing, it means add. Keep that in mind. Okay, so let's try this one. Pause the tape and do this one. Alright, so we'll just start here. We'll make this -4. Remember, minus minusing, so we're actually adding. Keep the -4, change subtraction to addition, change the -5 to a +5. So it says to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. We should get 1. And let's look. If you owe $4, but you have 5, now you paid off the 4 and you'll be left with 1. Okay? Let's do one where we have more than 2 numbers. Let's say if we had 3 numbers. How would you do this one? Try that. Pause the tape. So with keep, change, change, do one at a time. We're going to do this one first. So we're going to change, change. Keep, change, change. So a -3 plus a +3 is 0. Anytime you have 2 numbers with opposite signs, it's 0. And 0 minus 3, what is 0 minus 3? It's -3. Keep, change, change. -3. Okay, so that's subtracting integers. Great job.